welcome back. Another question from SQL series. The employee bonus is a simple easy question. So it gives two table, employee and the bonus. So what they ask, the employee has a bonus less than 1000 and those employee who did not get any bonus. Okay, so the test case is like employee table having employee ID, name, supervisor and the salary, and in bonus table the employee ID and the bonus. So the output looks like the employee name and the bonus. If is return those name when the bonus is less than 1000 and those who did not get any bonus. Okay, so we have two condition based on we have to filter our data from both tables. So we have to join those table name comma b dot bonus employee join bonus b on e dot empid equal to b dot employee id, where b dot bonus is less than 1000 and b dot bonus is null. So here our both condition like less than 1000 and those employee who did not get any bonus. So bonus is null and bonus is less than 1000. Join both table and return two column. Now see. Okay, b dot bonus employee bonus b. Okay, we forgot another thing. Bonus amount of each employee who satisfies either of the following. So not and, we have to use here or. Okay, so either the bonus is less than 1000 or bonus is null. So what in return then and 500. Okay, so here what we did, we join on what basis, where the employee ID and the employee ID from employee table and the employee ID from bonus table. So it only match 2 and 4 row like these two, and it return only those who has the one thing is like bonus is less than 1000. So that is why it written only the Dan name and the bonus, but we have to left join for all the name, either the bonus is less than 1000 or bonus is null. Okay, so that is why left join is very important here. So these are very basic things. See, it's running. So these are very basic thing which we use here, and so